In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram photo access not working on your iPhone. First, open the Instagram app. When you try to upload a photo by tapping the plus button at the bottom center, you might see a message asking for permission to access your photos. If you see this, tap Enable Library Access, and it will take you directly to the Instagram settings. But if you want to start from the settings manually, here's how to do it. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Tap on Photos and look for the Instagram app in the list. You can choose between limited access or full access. If you want Instagram to access all your photos, select Full Access. If you don't see this option, it may be related to screen time settings. Here's how to check. Go back to Settings and tap on Screen Time. Scroll down to Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is turned on, go to Photos and make sure it's not set to Don't Allow Changes for Instagram. Change it to Allow Changes, or if you don't need content restrictions, turn them off completely. Once you've made these changes, go back into Instagram and try uploading a photo by tapping the plus button at the bottom center. It should now prompt you to select photos from your gallery. If it still doesn't work, try offloading the Instagram app. Go back to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. Find Instagram in the list, tap it, and select Offload App. This will delete app files but keep the app itself, clearing out any bugs or glitches. After it's offloaded, reinstall Instagram, open it up, and try uploading a photo again. It will ask for permission to access your photos, and you can give it the required access. I hope this helps. If it did, please hit the subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks.